You're not sure if you want to play with it or be brushed by it. Well, that's okay. You can do both. You can do both. Oh, I love your yellow eyes. Look at these beautiful yellow eyes. See, she does like it, but she needs to play with it first. You just kind of, you just kind of play around with it. Sometimes I can, see, I got this much. So sometimes you can take advantage of a few strokes before she starts to paw at it. And that's okay. It's okay if she wants to paw at it. We're here for the kitties, and it's okay if they don't do exactly what we want them to do. I would really love to brush her, but if she doesn't, if it's ticklish and she'd rather play with it, that's okay. She's very gentle. I don't even feel her claws. She's so gentle. She doesn't like to be picked up, though. She gets kind of wiggly. See, she will let you brush. She will, if you give it a try. And then you have to kind of gather up all this fur. And I just make a little pile. See, it does get everywhere. But this is okay. She's having fun. She's having fun. It's something, ooh, I'm getting a little nips, but she's so gentle. I don't feel her claws. Her teeth are very gentle, even when she gives me a nip. She's so sweet. Look at her. Look how sweet she is. What a good girl you are. You're a good girl and also a good mama. You're a good mama. You did good with your babies. Kitties like when we talk to them. One of our other volunteers, who was it? Karen, I think, this morning. Karen said that she liked when she talked to her. Might have been Betsy. It was either Betsy or Karen who said that when she talked to Caramel, that Caramel really liked it. And I talk to my cat all the time, and I talk to the animals that I pet sit, and they really do like it. Even though they don't understand the words, they're getting some sort of emotional, I don't know how to describe it. They're getting some sort of emotional energy from it, like a positive emotional energy. It's very soothing to them. It's like a transference of this gentle energy. When we talk to them and we say loving things, yeah, like saying how good a girl, what a good girl you are, and how pretty. And now she's settled down a bit. You see, just as I've been talking on this video, she's settled down and is letting me brush. And boy, is there a lot of fur. Her is a furry girl. She's very beautiful. And she's so soft. She's like silk. She's like silk. See, I'm going to get up all that. Yeah, the brushing is really helpful, especially for long-haired cats, or for all cats and dogs, to just get off that excess fur. So when they groom themselves, they don't ingest so much fur. You know? I mean, my cat is a short hair, and he gets brushed every single day, but he still has fur in his poop. They do ingest the fur, and that's totally normal, unless there's a lot in their poop, and that means they're over grooming, and that could be a sign of something bad. But it's normal for them to ingest it. So when we brush them, it just helps them not to ingest so much of it. Now, before I did Oh, I'm getting some weird flashes in here. Before I started with this de-shutter tool, I was giving her pets and massages like this. So if you do this, you know, it's kind of like getting her relaxed. And then after you do this for a while, she really loves it. And you can see I'm going pretty rough, but she loves it. And you can go right between the shoulder blades in there. Kitties love this. And then use your thumb over their eyebrows, right along their ear, right here. Boy, they love that. Okay. Can I see your beautiful eyes once more? Caramel. Caramel! There they are. There's those pretty eyes.